Hello. You are unconditional love, even if you don't think so. That's because you are your universe. So the universe that you live in supports everything you say and everything you do because the universe loves you unconditionally. So even if you choose to believe that you are not loved or that there is no unconditional love, the universe supports your choice. It gives you a life that treats you as if you are not loved. And it gives you a life that makes you be loved based on conditions. And maybe you don't meet those conditions, so you don't experience love. But these are your choices because you're free to choose. Your life is you experiencing your choices. That's all it is. You're free to choose. You have no conditions. Do, be, say, live any way you desire. The universe supports you completely. Subscribe to my channel. And thank you, subscribers, for already being there and watching. And thank you, new members. Thank you so much. Hit the thank you thumb. I appreciate it. Namaste.